Hello everybody, before I show the time lapse today, I just wanted to give a little bit of context as to what it is and how it got to the point where it's at. So in my environment design program, during the second week, the students can choose from a variety of pre-made reference boards. This one was a cliffside tower of magical arts, and that's just kind of a loose prompt. So here the student, got this far. I extended the canvas out a little bit more like this. That's not space on their behalf, but a lot of what they were getting frustrated and stuck with at this point was building up that atmosphere and that sense of identity, with the initial design. Now I had a few design recommendations that you'll see in a moment at this point, and primarily the issue was a lot of these same shapes and proportions are kind of just repeating, and that can kind of make it feel a little stale. There is a lack of scale and variety in regards to the proportions of the castle. There is some small, there is some larger ones, but there's not enough key distinctions, I feel, to make it truly visually interesting. And also at the end of the day, what I recommend is go back to the initial references. These castles each have their own sort of characteristics and sense of personality. This is still lacking all of those at this point. So during the session, I remember getting some recommendations kind of around to this point, just to kind of show how they can break up the shapes, have a bit of a variety in regards to that, and to start painting in a bit more with atmosphere. So basically from here, we'll just kind of take it forward, and I'll let the time lapse roll. The students kind of gone on their own path with it, and they're bringing it up to their standards. And I was just sitting around, and I felt like painting something. So I just started painting on top of this without even bothering to put it away. And so now you'll see the results of that. So thank you for watching, and do take care.